for this? I'm going to shoot this gun, this Nerf gun, at the wall. So let me show you how it works. The trigger's right there. Yeah. So if you pull it once, just a little, and if you pull it harder, look at that. Wonderful. Here, and I'm going to show you how to load it. Okay. This is what you do. Oh crap. You get the bullets. Hold on. You have to push this. That opens it up. Push this. That opens it up. Those come out. Okay. I just dropped it. Crap. Okay. Once you have these, you put the arrow in like that. Okay. Well, hold on. Let me do that. Okay. And 2. Okay. Well, since when you open it, you pull it back till you hear this. When you hear that, you have to do this. Hold on. You put the arrow in like that. Face down. Then you pull it back up. And if you pull it hard at once, it shoots them both. Yeah, well, subscribe. Bye.